always use this, and so many people actually comment telling me how good my quality is. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I've been going through a lot of videos recently, and I've been looking through my analytics and seeing what has actually been the most searched for items and videos that have been to do with my channel. And one that has been popping up for quite a few months now has been MacBook accessories and just MacBook in general. This is from when I did my MacBook video a while ago, and I think I did what I actually bought with my MacBook and my unboxing as well, but I'm not too sure. But I will leave links to those videos down below for you now. I'll also put some cards in for you up here too, so do make sure you check those out. So today's video is going to be about the different MacBook accessories I have bought and the ones that I use, and my opinions on all of them too. Let's get on with the video, and I hope you all enjoy. So for those of you that don't know, I bought my MacBook Air in rose gold, and I'm absolutely in love with it. It is the best thing I've ever bought. It was so good. I have no idea what's going on with my lighting today. It's been really dodgy and I'm not a fan, but we'll just have to work with it. So this is my MacBook.
Please ignore all the finger marks on it. It's really gross, I know.
So this is my MacBook here. And I don't think I actually have that many different accessories for it, but I'm going to be showing you what I do have. So the most important one I have, well, one of the most important ones I have is this cover. This is so good. The MacBook fits perfectly, literally perfectly in this, and it's so padded, so soft, and I love the zip on it. It makes it so secure so it will not fall out, and I absolutely love this. This I use every single day, all the time. It protects my MacBook all the time from getting damaged, mucky. I then have my charger, which actually came with the MacBook. This is my charger here, obviously extremely important. I wouldn't necessarily call it that much of an accessory because it comes with it and you kind of need it to use the laptop, if that makes sense. The next one is super important, and I'm absolutely in love with this. This one here. So this is my USB-C to USB adapter. This is so cool, so good. This means I can then plug my phone into my laptop, because on the side of the MacBook, if you didn't know, it has an auxiliary cord hole. It also has two USB-C holes. One which I use for my charger, and the other one I connect this into. Also, I'm going to be buying one very similar to this, but it has more like adapters on the end of it. So it'll be USB-C to USB. It might have micro SD in that as well, I think. I'm not sure yet which one I'm going to get. But these are so good, and I definitely recommend buying them. I have my HD 1080p camera. This is my webcam that I use for my laptop. Whenever I go live on you now, I always use this, and so many people actually comment telling me how good my quality is and that kind of thing, saying how good it is and how it's nice to have someone with good camera quality on you now. So I would definitely recommend getting one of these if you are a streamer or a broadcaster like I am. This one's really good as well because, as you can see there, you can move this bit about, and you can actually detach the tripod from it as well, so you can stick it on the top of your laptop. Although I prefer it like this because I feel like it's easiest to look into the camera this way when I'm broadcasting. But again, with this one, this has a USB end to it, so I would need my USB-C converter to be able to use this. As well as a camera, I have a microphone too. This is for my broadcasts. I haven't actually used this one much yet, because, as I said, I only have one of these, and I need two of these to be able to connect because this is also a USB. But this one is an ADX Ultimate Gaming microphone. It's such good quality, it is amazing. Again, comes on a tripod, which is really good because I'm going to sit it down on my desk. I love this. For more kind of behind the scenes work, I got a USB super drive. Yeah. Which is here. This is so good. I'll show you it. So this is literally all that comes inside the box, just a super drive. It is so good though. I got an Apple one, obviously, because I won't want to get a non-Apple one because I won't want it to mess up my MacBook. And you can see at the front, it's just got a simple hole there that you can slide the CDs or discs into. This is really good for YouTubers, vloggers, photographers, anything like that, so you can put your things on your hard drive and it doesn't take up all your storage on your phone, your camera, your MacBook, that kind of thing. These are super, super good. Also, I can play my CDs through them, which is really good because I like to be able to import all my CDs from my... I like physical CDs. I don't like to buy them from iTunes or that kind of thing. So I like to buy my CDs and then import them to my laptop so I can put them on my phone, my iPod, my iPad, that kind of thing. So I'm not having to buy them on iTunes separately as well. I also use, every single time, as a lot of you will know, I edit on my MacBook. So every single time I edit, I like to use headphones because I don't like the whole world hearing what I'm editing because I can be weird sometimes. The stuff I'll edit out of this video, you guys will have no idea and you guys will never get to see that. But yeah, I like to do that in private. So I use my Apple headphones too. I wish so much that this video was Apple endorsed and it was a paid promotion by Apple. But I'm just genuinely a really big fan of their products. The overall interface and how Apple works is just what I like to use. I know a lot of people like Samsung and other ones like that, but for me personally, I just really like Apple and how they do everything. So yeah, I'm just kind of like Apple crazy. I do have a new phone coming as well. It's really bad, but I'm getting my student loan through, and currently I'm not at university, so I'm not having to pay for like buses and trains and things like that. So I've got a little bit of extra cash. I really wanted to treat myself to a new phone. I thought I'm better off doing it now when I don't have a lot of bills coming out. I'm getting my follow through from work. I'm getting my student loan through. So that might as well actually just buy it now rather than later on. So if you guys want to see that unboxing, then do let me know because I'm super excited. So guys, that is pretty much all the accessories that I actually use in my MacBook. If you've got any others that I've not seen or I haven't tried out, then let me know in the comments below and I'll definitely have to try them out. Or if there's any you'd like me to review for you in a video, then do let me know and I'm more than happy to do that. But that is it for today, guys. So thank you so much for joining me. It's a bit of a different video. I don't really do many of these kind of things, and these kind of things aren't really in my niche or aren't the kind of videos that I do make, but since it was so highly searched for and so many people looking for that kind of thing, I decided it was kind of a good video to do. But do let me know if you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys!